Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Tuesday, November the 19th, 2019, and the time is around 6 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of the DAX. This is a 45 minutes chart, which is kind of similar to the 60 minutes. We could see right here, we have 1, 2, and then now we are within with 3 in the red. Okay. And so far we are already ending 1, 2, 3, 4. Now possibly one more push higher before ending this with 3 in the red. Okay, now a couple of things here. If the 1 hour itself probably will not give us a lot of information, okay, in order to understand how to get the bias and so on. But if we look at it from the larger degree, and I will go to the daily chart here, we could see from this low on December 2018, 2018, we have a sequence here, right? We have a higher high, and if this is just a simple ABC, and it could have been 1, 2, 3 by the way, because indices have been bullish. But even if it is just an ABC, normally the C is going to reach the 100%. Alright, so in this case we can see the index has not reached this area, 13,660, 14,221. So in other words, the bias remains higher now in the DAX, and any pullback therefore should continue to see support. Now going back to the 1 hour chart or 45 minutes chart here, we can see we got a 3 pullback from the peak, alright, and then now starting to turn higher again. Now that means we can now either go higher and continue to extend higher, going towards this minimum target here, right? Or in this case, since we have not broken above this with 3 in the black here, now I mean, as an alternate, we can do a double zigzag, right? This is a zigzag, we can do another zigzag like this, right, and then do a WXY double zigzag. Now if that happens, then perhaps the wave 3 has ended somewhere here, and this is already wave 4, right? So we can adjust the count here and there, right? We can adjust it here and there, but the bias still remains the same, that we should be still looking for the upside. Also on top of that, the current pullback is proven to be corrective. I mean, if this is really some sort of a major top or anything like that, then why is it that the pullback is corrective? It's only 3 waves, right? Now of course you might say, well, this as an alternate, right, in the very bullish in the very bearish scenario, this could have been a 1 2 1 2 nest, right? A 1 2 1 2. But again, the question will be, and what makes us believe this is a 1 2 1 2 and then we have a 3 of 3 when the previous trend is all bullish and all the other indices continue to make new high, and then we have a clear risk pullback from the peak. So there is no reason to believe this is a 1 2 1 2. And again, granted that until we break above here, we could still do double zigzag, right? We can do another zigzag like this, WXY. But even if that's going to happen, we know this is a corrective structure here, so in no way that this is likely going to become some sort of important major peak and then start to pull back in a larger degree. Okay, so bottom line is we continue to like more upside, and this pullback will continue to find support in the sequence of 3 7 11 swing. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. Also, we have 14 days free trial. You can check our service. The link is provided in the description of the video below. Thank you very much, and see you all again next time.